I have leftover mashed potatoes and gravy. I'm going to turn this into delicious fried mashed potato pancakes. Okay, so this is pretty simple. I have the mashed potatoes. I'm going to add in the salt, nutritional yeast, garlic powder and onion powder, some panko breadcrumbs, and I'm going to mix this well. I have some more ingredients I'm going to put in this, but I want to add this because I need to make sure I get all of the dried ingredients incorporated well into this. Now, if your mashed potatoes are too dry, add in some more butter or oil. Or if you just took them from the fridge, you might need to heat up your mashed potatoes or just work all these dried ingredients a little bit more. I try not to add more butter just because I want to make sure it's dry enough. And I'd rather add the butter in the frying part. Green onion and some cheese. Go ahead and add in plant-based cheese. I'm going more with a plant-based cheddar cheese that I grated to make it easier to mix in the potatoes. I'm going to work about this size of these mashed potatoes in a ball, and then I will be mashing them out into pancake shapes and frying them. You can make the edges nice and smooth if you want, like so. And I will let this fry for about 4 minutes on each side. Now just going to put some gravy over the top of these pancakes. Throw some parsley over the top. There you go. I took leftover mashed potatoes and gravy and I turned it into fried mashed potato pancakes. I'm gonna try it out now. This is delicious. This is incredible. Like, I'm a huge fan of mashed potatoes, but I might be more of a fan of this. This is a way where you don't have to get sick of having the same mashed potatoes, you know, day after day until they're all gone. You can transform them so easily into these pancakes. This is incredible. You get the crispness from frying the mashed potatoes. You get that cheese coming through. You get the green onions coming through. The nutritional yeast adds a great cheddar note to it as well. Overall, this is fantastic. And this is the start of it. There's so many different ways you can make these fried mashed potato pancakes. So many ways you can transform your leftovers into a delicious dinner, savory breakfast, brunch, you know, whatever you want to have. So now you know what you can do. Come back and check out more videos of mine because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.